Bro, look at this shit. Damn. Always falling apart.
Didn't your fucking sissy bar break last night?
Yes.
You had to make a new one, right?
We finished at fucking 10 p.m.
Well, I'm gonna fix your tank.
I need a new tank. At this point. This is breaking.
You need a new bike, man.
I need a new bike. I should get a new bike.
What's with you killing every bike? At least you're living up to your name.
I tried my best.
You gonna tighten it down or what?
Yeah. I think I just need to get some lock washers and you saw the bolt on that fence, that was it. How long that is. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. And look at the back one. Super sick. Oh, and by the way, this is cracked. Like legit. Let me go to my handy dandy. Keeping all the space before I spit bolts all with this stuff, you know. Gotta pay it all the time with this turd. I should actually get a new bike. And now we switch to the other side.
What's up, narcoleptic? That means a cool thing.
Okay, bye. Drive-by fruities.
Drive-by fruities!
What you guys doing? Yeah, his tank.
What happened to your tank?
It got loose.
Are you fucking shitting me? My sick glasses.
You don't have pit vision?
I don't have pit vision, no. It is pit vision. It's in the pits. Okay. Oh, cool. Quality Harley manufacturing, I think.
Yeah.
Are we gonna pull it off and weld the washer over it?
No, it's fine.
No?
I'm gonna get a new tank soon. We gotta get you a new bike, Jesus.
Or, hear me out. Just take a day to go over each fastener and make sure it's not sheared, stripped, rusted, falling out. You may find that you're missing a few. This looks good. This is cool. This is very Mad Maxed. Oh, this is definitely how you do a Connerton. 100%. Oh, that's quality. I love how much faith you have in that. You know, they love you down at the church.
What's up, bro? So here you go, power supply. Quick question. Since you are here, are you interested in tattooing us?
Let's do it. Who was it?
That thing is pretty rad.
So, we bought this really cool piece of shit from Rin, right? A total pile of crap. Hey, Aaron! Cut the music! We had to tell Aaron to cut the music because the music sounds like ass when we make videos. And then what's really cool is we'll make this really cool video and put it on YouTube, and then YouTube goes, oh, suck a dick, because we can hear something in the background. It sounds like something that's sort of copyrighted, even though you can't really hear it. It's really cool. Thanks, Sony. All the other fucking companies that fuck us. Anyways, we found this total pile of crap. It's called a Yamaha XS 650. You may have heard of it before. They're pretty hard to find now, like whereas 10 years ago they were like the bee's knees, you know, you could find for $500 at Grandpa's garage. And no one wanted them. And then all of a sudden they got super popular and people were, you know, hacking them up and everything. So we went over to our buddy's shop, Rocket's shop, Justin Cycles. I know it's owned by Rocket, but it's called Justin Cycles because Justin started it, but then Justin died. It's okay though, people die, it happens. So we're gonna surprise Marin, and this is gonna be the big unveiling. Let's go.
Yo, come help me and TJ really quick.
Hi.
We need another set of hands too. You might want to come.
These little bees.
I know I saw the ones that they put on here. They're pretty sick.
The blue ones?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's what we're moving right now.
Sick.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Sick.
Right? There it is. You like it?
Yes. Super sick, and it's tiny.
Yeah. It's like a mini bike.
It even has like the lean that everybody wants.
Yeah. Because the kickstand, for the kickstand is, you have to really get your proctology skills on point. So we actually have some classes through Udemy that'll teach you how to properly be a proctologist. But
Okay.
you have to reach underneath here to draw out the kickstand, which is, as you can see, it does have some herpes on it, little bumps there.
Okay.
But you know, we can sure get some Valtrex for you, no problem.
It'll work.
Has a race brake lever. Real custom. Yep. Make a man out of you yet.
Checking out.
He's like, this is my bike now.
Dude, it has so many knobs and buttons. Look at this. There's
my
a
size.
button here. There's a knob here. I know this is for aeration, so it doesn't get too hot there.
Oh, okay.
Then you go, this green little knob doesn't light up because they didn't need to. And this one is also another knob that you can twiddle.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, and somebody obviously knew what they were doing with the wiring.
Perfect.
A lot of electrical tape. This is cool. This is really cool. We did this. We left this hanging out, and there's like 15 wires of gears. Some of them go in the headlights, some don't. But we thought it might be a fun little puzzle for you to solve.
Nice. I like these right here.
Yeah.
Tabs, and then
Yep.
the wires are sticking out, you know? So. Sick. Just a little plug.
Just for you, brothers.
Sick.
That's right. We got custom header wrap because we all know header wrap is really good for motorcycle pipes. It totally doesn't make them break. Oh,
And it
also
fits
bonus. Check it out in here. So, look at this little guy. Watch. So if you're riding bike and stuff, quick release.
Oh, sick.
See that?
Man.
Look at that.
Never have an issue there.
Nope, never have an issue there. Bike will always shut off at the crucial moment when you don't want it to. Have a seat on it.
The business.
Yeah.
It's my size.
It is.
It's perfect.
It is perfect.
It's perfect.
Like it actually, I mean, that seat's gonna obviously move forward a little bit, but it's way more compact than the Harley. That's there.
Put space on.
You have to be
Perfect. Yep.
that I can reach it.
Yeah.
You don't need to.
No.
The lever should be on the top of it though. So
Yeah.
you know, this just you pull down.
Yeah.
You actually bring it straight up, do this, and
That's
steer the
exactly
lever
what I'm
up.
gonna do.
And then stopping is really important. So we made sure to get you this
High tech.
ANSD or ASV. I don't even know. But it's a race lever. So if you have really, you can do this, twiddle this. Nobody else that even does. See, and then it moves forward. So when your fingers get longer, it can grow with you.
Yeah.
You know, like pull-ups.
It's like a fidget spinner.
It is. While you're riding, you get the fidget spin. Fucker. You stoked?
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah, man.
That looks for a bit bigger.
It really does.
It really does.
It actually,
I'm so
to be
stoked.
serious, it's not that the Harley was bad, but this
No,
like completely fits
my
me
size.
perfectly. Yeah. And the motor looks fucking gorgeous. I love the look of these motors. They're beautiful, dude.
Super cool.
Like them, Triumph, BSA, always they made these little unit construction style motors that were just super aesthetically pleasing.
I love how you can't see the kickstand. So if it actually is down, you won't know.
You don't, yeah. It's
And if it's not down, you're still not gonna know.
it's fully custom. It's like Bluetooth kickstands, you know.
Yeah.
We tried to upgrade to Bluetooth wheels, but they're still in development.
Okay.
You know, because I thought they'd be really stealth.
Yeah.
But I mean, at least you have like 5 switches to fuck with and figure out the combination.
Yeah.
I mean, it's worse than that fucking Fury Road thing in Mad Max where she's like, left, down, up, right, 2 switches, push a button, pull the knob, twist my nipple, now starts. Dude, I love the fact that battery is on full display. Everyone knows
Yeah.
how cheap you are.
Definitely.
You definitely bought a Kmart battery for $49.99 and it's exposed to all the elements.
Yep. It needs to be, you know?
Easy access too. You do have a rear brake, which has a really functional brake stay in the shape of an S, because we all know when you're stopping, the brake stay doesn't have any pressure on the brake stay at all. The caliper just floats around. So an S-shaped brake stay made out of what looks to be like beer can material will actually hold up despite what it looks like. Oh, it's rock solid, bro. Rock solid.
It's definitely not going anywhere.
Super safe. No, dude. Super safe. That's why it says SS on it right there. You know, I find it really interesting that how they put this cover over the backbone. I'm not sure if it's to hide some sort of aesthetic thing, but then they put a cover, then zip tied wires see outside of the cover.
Yeah,
More wires.
And you know, we were gonna remove these things, but we thought best not because they look vintage.
Yeah.
The spacers here, the quality of this, I mean, just
that's amazing.
the quality of that. Somebody spent a lot of time. These are precision spacers. They're wafer thin, and you can add a few, you know, here or there to space out the bolt. I mean, getting
Yeah.
a short bolt is not cool. Don't get bolts that fit.
Don't.
If it looks like it came with the bike, you don't want it. I think you're set, man. Hey, what else do you need? We just push you down the road and be ready to go.
I'll figure out how to stop. I'll just
No,
put my feet down.
Please don't.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what? You got the driveway.
And there you go.
You know, easy. Well, I hope you enjoy it. It's the last thing I'm giving you. Do you have a name for it yet?
No, not yet.
All right. Well, let us know when you figure something out. Oh, careful with it. It is attached to the battery.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You're gonna have so many skills by the end of it.
Are you a mechanic? No. Well, you're gonna be one now.
I'm sure gonna.
I will start today.
I look at this and wonder, what were you thinking? Someone was working on, like, somebody did drugs. Really engineering marvel of this modern day. I mean, if you're trying to be Ghost Rider, then that's done. You want all the flames.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
We brought you another bike you can kill. So what do you think? What do you want to do this? Sick. See you later. All right, man. Let's roll it over.
Why let it?
Yeah! Dude, it's so cool that it's like perfect size. Sick.
Thank you. Welcome.
That's exactly what I asked her.